Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best charcoal grills on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cuisinart Portable Charcoal Grill. The Cuisinart Charcoal Grill is a game changer for on-the-go grilling enthusiasts. Its 196 square inch chrome-plated cooking rack and dual venting system make it the perfect portable charcoal grill for outdoor cooking. The chrome-plated grate ensures even and efficient heat distribution so you can savor perfectly cooked food every time. Transporting the grill is a breeze with its 3 secure lid locks, making it easy to take along on camping trips or tailgating parties. Its compact size fits snugly into small spaces, while its durable enamel-coated firebox and mess-free ash catcher ensure safety and ease of use. What we like about it: durable enamel-coated firebox, secure lid locks, even heat distribution. What we don't like about it: short grill height. Number 2. Weber Charcoal Grill. The Weber Charcoal Grill is perfect for barbecue enthusiasts who demand reliability and durability. Designed by the pioneer of charcoal grilling, this grill boasts a time-honored design that withstands the elements and delivers consistently mouth-watering results. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat for efficient cooking while the dampers regulate temperature. With enough space to cook up to 13 burgers, steaks, chicken breasts, and more, this grill is perfect for feeding a crowd. The removable aluminum ash catcher makes cleanup a breeze. What we like about it: efficient heat retention, easy temperature regulation, simple cleanup process, convenient lid hook. What we don't like about it: less suited for heavy meats. Number 3. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill features an impressive cooking surface, making it easy to prepare various dishes. This grill, designed for maximum efficiency and convenience, features a seamless connection between the side smoker and the main chamber for quick heating and consistent warming. The lid's groove design ensures an airtight seal for added precision in your recipes. With 2-level height adjustability, the charcoal pan allows for better heat control. The removable charcoal pan makes adding fuel or dumping ashes easy, while the built-in thermometer helps accurately regulate the cooking temperature. What we like about it: airtight side smoker, convenient front table, versatile outdoor cooking. What we don't like about it: difficult to assemble. Number 4. Caregriller Charcoal Grill. The Caregriller Charcoal Grill offers the best of both worlds: high heat grilling and low and slow smoking in one durable unit. This grill is heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish that lasts many seasons. You can quickly grill up to 38 burgers with a whopping cooking space. This grill has everything you need for an enjoyable outdoor cooking experience. This grill is convenient and flexible. Cast iron cooking grates and an adjustable fire grate make it easy to control heat levels, while the easy dump ash pan ensures quick and effortless cleanup. What we like about it: large cooking area, cast iron cooking grates, adjustable fire grate, wheels for mobility. What we don't like about it: instructions aren't self-explanatory. Number 5. Dojard Charcoal Grill. The Dojard Charcoal Grill is the perfect outdoor cooking companion for any occasion. Its portable design makes it ideal for small patios or backyards. Capable of enduring the intense heat produced by any charcoal fire, the charcoal grate, made of robust plated steel, retains heat efficiently for uniform grilling. You can easily manage the heat with the adjustable aluminum air vent damper and effortlessly add or adjust charcoal with the 2 handles on the cooking grate. What we like about it: easy to assemble, precise heat retention, delicious smoky flavor. Rust-resistant vent damper. What we don't like about it. Short height requires bending. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.